Ever notice how a simple label can completely change the feel of a product? It's one of the easiest ways to turn something ordinary into something truly memorable. Not only do labels make your packaging instantly recognizable, they also add some custom flair and excitement to a standard box, parcel, or sleeve. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the different types of labels available and how they can be used to elevate your customer's experience. Let's get stuck in. Roll labels are perfect for when you need a lot of printed branding that won't break the bank, such as giveaways, product mailings, or covering a package or two. These types of labels are often available as round, square, and rectangular stickers in various sizes, finishes, ranging from paper and plastic to the high-end feel of gold foil. Ooh, shiny. Product labels are a practical and versatile option for branding your items. While they add an exciting flourish, they also make it easier for customers to find everything, from ingredients to care details. A vivid, crisp label can bring candles, food products, and dry goods to life and make them instantly recognizable. A florist, for instance, could use a custom label to help secure the paper around their bouquets, creating a lovely bit of branding flair while also highlighting their logo and business name. Whether you're a specialty shop making locally sourced food and drink, or you simply carry snacks as part of a wider inventory, food and beverage labels can help bring your offerings to life. Businesses can be creative in how they use these labels and choose materials that work with the product itself. Do you sell something that needs to be kept refrigerated or frozen? A plastic label will be tough and durable. Are you wrapping up organic produce or other fresh ingredients? A simple paper label might look more on brand. Custom mailing labels can help you save time and effort while keeping a consistent branded look on all your outgoing mail and packages. An envelope seal or packaging label can add a personal touch in unexpected places, reminding your customers that you're willing to put in the extra effort to improve their experience. This can be especially important for e-commerce businesses that can't rely on the tactile experience of their products in a brick-and-mortar store. Hang tags can give your products, displays, and packaging an upscale, professional look. Customize the shape, size, material, and finish of your tags to add your own touch and fine-tune your look. With custom hang tags, businesses can draw customers' attention to specialty products on a shelf or make it easier for them to navigate through items on their own. And don't forget the different materials you can print your labels on. Paper is a great budget-friendly option that's perfect for dry goods and indoor use, while foil-coated paper adds a metallic shine that's great for gift packaging. Plastic is super tough and comes in clear and colored options, making it great for outdoor use, refrigerated items, and creating a no-sticker effect on glass. And if you want to really stand out, you can try a holographic finish, which creates a rainbow-like shimmer. In the world of branding, it can often be the subtle touches that make your business stand out in a sea of competition. And labels are the perfect tool to fine-tune your look and create a more elevated experience for your customers. Visit VistaPrint today and explore our full range of labels and stickers, from roll labels to hang tags and more. Discover a cost-effective and engaging way to level up your branding and wow your customers. That's the power of a great label. It sticks with you. Happy printing!